Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I thought I'd show you a game that I've thought up based around this game board, which is to help us pronounce the two vowels together and making it into a game. So you could do it for yourself, or you could do it in the family, or if you're a teacher you could do it with the children in the class, and you can do it with peers or other groups depending on how many children there are to do it with, or you could do it as a staff group if you've got other colleagues who are interested in pronouncing te reo Māori correctly. So, and you can also just use one dice, which may or may not be called mata ono or whanga ono in te reo. So I'll call it mata ono. So you could use one without this game if you just wanted to pronounce the vowels correctly. Roll this and I'll say a. Roll that and I'll say e. Roll that and I'll say u. So that's another way of practicing. But this one particularly is for double vowels. So you might have seen my video before where I'm talking about this to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star to practice the double vowels together. So we're just pronouncing each of these separately. Ae, ai, ao, au. So I've got my dice, my mata ono. I've got two of them. So each one, I've got little stickers over the numbers. So each one has a vowel on it. And because there's 6 sides and only 5 vowels, I've repeated the A. And same with that one. And then I've got whatever I can use as counters. In this case, I've got these ones here. And so I'm going to roll my dice. So this is just me playing it by myself. And if it was 2 of us or more of us, then we would have turns. And the aim is to practice saying them and fill in a line either vertically or horizontally or diagonally, especially if you've got teams competing against each other. So if you've, and otherwise you could just change the thing to work however you want. So when I roll this, I've got ai, which turns into the ai that is on the word kai. So another thing you could add is when you get this vowel blend, you could think of a word that has that in that. So that example could be kai or wai or pai. So now I'm going to look for which do I want to put that on, ai, or I could have it the other way round and have, I can choose, ia. So that could be here is a word, or kia, and I'm going to put it on this ai here, I. Okay, so for kai. And then part of the decision about whether you do it which way round will be whether you're trying to get a line or a diagonal, etc. So this one time I've rolled eu. So this is, you need to practice them out loud when you roll it. Eu, or I could have ue. And if you can't think of a word that has that in, that's all good. I'm going to put that on ue. Here we go. And we'll have another one. This one is e. So just say them slowly, pronouncing each one by itself. E, and it turns into k, a, like k te pai, k, a. Turns into the sound like a, but if you say it slowly, it's e. And I'm going to put that there because it's 2 in a row. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can. Oh, there they are. Cool. And one last try, just as an example. Oh, this time I've rolled or, because 2 O's together is like one with a macron, so I've rolled or, and with these double vowels, there's only one choice. It's just the or there. And if I was keeping on going, I would be trying to make a line, or I might just be practicing my double vowels and filling up the whole thing. So hopefully that's an idea that you can use for yourself, for your family, or if you're teaching with children or with your colleagues, or perhaps you just would use it with other people, your friends. Ka kite.